The future simple tense is a key element in planning for energy efficiency. By mastering this tense, ESL students can effectively communicate about future actions and intentions related to saving energy. Let's explore some illustrative examples to demonstrate how the future simple tense can be used in the context of energy efficiency planning. One way to use the future simple tense in energy efficiency planning is to talk about future commitments. For example, I will turn off the lights when I leave the room, or we will reduce our water usage by taking shorter showers. These simple statements show a commitment to taking action to save energy in the future. Another way to use the future simple tense is to discuss future plans or predictions. For instance, solar energy will become more affordable in the future, or electric vehicles will become more popular as technology advances. These statements highlight potential future developments in the field of energy efficiency. Additionally, the future simple tense can be used to make suggestions or give advice on how to save energy. For instance, you should use energy-efficient appliances to save electricity. Or, we could install insulation to reduce heating costs. These suggestions demonstrate practical ways to improve energy efficiency in the future. Furthermore, ESL students can use the future simple tense to create hypothetical scenarios related to energy efficiency. For example, if everyone switched to renewable energy sources, the environment would greatly benefit. Or, what if we all used public transportation instead of driving cars? These hypothetical situations can stimulate critical thinking about the potential impact of energy efficiency measures. In conclusion, mastering the future simple tense is essential for ESL students who want to effectively communicate about energy efficiency planning. By using this tense to express commitments, plans, suggestions, and hypothetical scenarios, students can engage in meaningful discussions about ways to save energy and protect the environment. With practice and dedication, ESL students can become fluent in discussing energy efficiency in the future simple tense.